To make the perfect lasagna, we start with fresh, quality ingredients, like rich ground beef, ripe tomatoes, and aromatic, combined with a smooth bechamel sauce.
We start with quality ground beef in a hot cast iron skillet. Break it up to mix with the onions and garlic. Let those rich, savory aromas fill your kitchen. Sizzle until perfectly browned and glistening.
We start with perfectly browned beef. Then we add rich tomato sauce and paste, bursting with fragrant oregano and fresh basil. Melt the butter over a gentle heat. Whisk in the flour to create a smooth roux. Slowly add the fresh milk, stirring constantly, until a rich, velvety sauce begins to form. Butter and flour, fresh milk, and a pinch of nutmeg. Stirring constantly until smooth.
Our glass baking dish is lightly buttered and ready. We have creamy ricotta, fresh mozzarella, and a rich marinara sauce. Let's begin assembling our lasagna.
We start with a base of slow-cooked beef, layered with rich tomatoes and aromatic herbs, perfectly reduced for a classic taste.
Layering fresh egg pasta over a rich ragu is key. Our sauce blends slow-cooked beef, pork every single bite. Now we are ready for the next layer.
This classic bechamel starts with fresh milk, infused with butter, flour, and a pinch of nutmeg. Rich, creamy bechamel meets fresh mozzarella and sharp parmesan, cascading in slow motion to create the perfect bite. Layer a rich meat sauce, then add creamy bechamel. Repeat with pasta sheets. Top with plenty of cheese.
We start with a thick, generous layer of shredded mozzarella, making sure it covers every corner evenly. And finally, a rich dusting of grated parmesan. Ready for the oven. Into the oven it goes. The final step before this homemade lasagna is ready to serve.
Layered with rich beef ragu, creamy bechamel, and melted mozzarella, all resting on a golden baked crust.